like that.
Oh.
I got you. Hi everybody, Charlie here with the Recon shop. We just got done doing a really amazing 2018 Acura NSX. This is a really fantastic car, and it had the tiniest of dents in the hood. We were able to remove this dent using Paintless Dent repair to keep it completely original. This was actually been able to be done while the customer waited. If you have damage in your vehicle and you'd like to find out if it's a candidate for Paintless Dent repair, get in touch with us at www.thereconshop.com or give us a call at 512-290-HAIL. That's 512-290-4245. We're also conveniently located here at 201 Industrial Boulevard in Cedar Park. I'm Charlie with the Recon Shop. Thanks for watching.